Hey guys, so today I will be making some people call it pasta, but I call it ziti. I'm going to be making it for the kids. So right now I am cooking my ground beef, and this is my water getting ready to boil for my noodles. So I'm gonna take you to the table and show you the rest of my ingredients. So my hamburger is cooking, it's pretty much done. So I'm gonna add my bell peppers over into the mix with my onions, and I'm gonna cook these sausages. What's wrong with my lighting? So I'm gonna use a little ricotta mixed with some Prego sauce. That's gonna be in the bottom layer. I'll show you that a little bit later. And I'm gonna use these shells. So this is what the shells is looking like. So I'll be back in a few when I get ready to assemble everything. Okay, I wanted to come on here and show you that I added the bell peppers and the onions over into the ground beef. I just turned my sausages on to start cooking, and I added the noodles in the mix. Now the water was boiling. I'm waiting for it to come back up for a boil so that these can start boiling, because I'm gonna have to assemble everything together. So I'm trying to get everything to cook. So the water is starting to boil again. And my onions are just about, see how they are? Wilted. You can see through them a little bit. This is how I like mine. And I know that this pot is done, so I'm gonna turn this off. This is how I like my sausages. They can finish cooking if they're not inside of the oven. So I'm gonna turn this one off. And so right now I'm just waiting for my noodles to get done. So we'll be back. Okay, so I have everything that I need right here. So this is the ricotta cheese, and I just mixed in a little bit of Prego, and it's got like this pale pink or peach color. And then I have the ground beef with the onions and bell peppers still together in this strainer. And then I have my sausages, my sauce, and this is the cheese that I'll be using. So I'm gonna just like layer it. And so I'm gonna start in this pan. I'm gonna just empty a little bit at a time because I'm not sure if I'm gonna have enough, but these are my noodles over here in this pan. Okay, so I'm gonna pour some noodles. My hands are clean. So I'm gonna pour some of these noodles over in this pan, because I'm gonna probably use everything, mix everything in this one pan, because, so this is one pack of sausage, beef smoked sausage. And then I'm probably gonna pour my meat over in here. I just love this strainer because see how it's catching all of my grease? So I'm gonna pour a little bit more noodles over in here, and I'm gonna just probably pour just a little bit of my ricotta inside of here. Okay. And I'll just pour some of my Prego sauce over in here. And I just pour it till I get the consistency that I like. I like it a little wet. And so then I go in with more noodles. If I have too much meat. So then I'll go back in with more noodles. Hi, baby, get back. Get back. All right. Hi. How did you sleep?
I just had a drink.
Oh, you did?
What's this?
Oh, no. Back up. Back up. Jihiri. So then I pour more meat. I only got a little bit left. And this is the 80. No, that's got to be cleaned off. This is the 80-20 ground beef. So this is what it's looking like right now. So I gotta put more sauce in here.
Move the dishes, Mom.
What is it, honey?
Move the dish. Wash this plate.
So we're gonna pour some more sauce in here.
What's this?
And I like this pan because it's deep. And I can get everything stirred up in here.
Ew, this is this stupid water.
The dishes just gotta be washed. And then I'll just pour the rest of these noodles in here. Someone's falling over onto the table.
Definitely gonna put this. I'm definitely gonna put this nothing.
Relax. All right. And if you have a weak arm, this will kind of be
What's that?
tiring, or it can make your arm hurt.
Mom, your hand's dirty.
I know, honey. I'm trying to mix up this pasta. And I need more.
Ew, what is that? What are you doing?
Okay, so now I'm done stirring it up, so I'm gonna just start layering it. I just finished assembling everything. So I just did another layer with the ricotta cheese. Then I added the American cheese on top, the slices. I did run out of this because it's the way it always was made. And so I did add some mild cheddar cheese on top. So I'll be back when I take it out the oven. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. So it's looking like this, all cheesy, ooey gooey. And so some people like the sticks and some people like the bread. So this is what we're working with for dinner tonight. And this is good because with the virtual learning, tomorrow the kids can have leftovers for either lunch or for dinner. So this is a big quantity of this pasta, ziti, whatever you want to call it. So I hope you like it. Oh, you can season your ground beef any way you like. So I added a little bit of this, black pepper, keep that over there. And then I had some Laurers, and then some onion powder, and I did add a little bit of sugar. So that was about it that I put inside of my ground beef. So I hope you enjoy. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And please try and let me know in the comments how it came out. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.